That's for you to know. We do record the lessons. All right. So, ekele dịrị gị o, mama dịrị gị Chukwu. Chukwu means God. Ekene dịrị gị o, Chineke nara ekpere anyị o. Mama dịrị gị o, otito dịrị gị o, ekene dịrị gị o, Chineke daalụ maka afọ a. Anyị na-ekele gị o, otito dịrị gị Chukwu, etu isiri kpọọ ka anyị ọnụ, Chineke daalụ maka afọ a. So we really need to thank God for giving us life for us to see this year. So we all thank God, and I thank God for the gift of every one of you and your family. So every day we wake up in the morning, we have to thank God because not everybody made it this far. Many people died last year, and we don't want that 2020 anymore. So we pray this year is gonna be a wonderful year. Okay, this is beginner class. I know some of you did not sign up for evaluation, which is assessment. Most of you did. And if you still want to be assessed to see if you qualify to move on to intermediate, that is fine. And there's another